For background processes, there's a very nice command called nice. So instead of, let's say we have a background process here, since this is a background process, which I don't want the CPU to prioritize, with nice you can tell the OS that this is a process that you don't want to prioritize, where the CPU can prioritize more important processes. If we look at htop, we can see that the program is running with the 19 nice value, where the higher the nice value, the less the OS will prioritize the process. And that works, but this thing is kind of a hassle. What if whenever you run this program, you always want the nice value of 19? Is there a way of setting a default nice value? So the way I deal with this is in my scripts folder, which in your case is probably .local/bin. I have a script that is named to the binary, and here I just call the binary with nice with the value that I want, and of course the arguments here. And it's very important that you don't do this because, well, that will recursively call this script. So make sure to specify the whole path. In my case, it's in user local, but normally your binary will probably exist in /bin. The nice thing with this is that there's no additional overhead. We don't have a daemon that runs in the background and checks all the processes. It just sets the nice when you call the program.